Alright, what's up, how's it going? This is Optimal420. I'm just doing a video on this marker that I've had sitting in my house for like over 5 years. And I finally have it fully cycling. I just got a gravity feed on there right now. And like all these bolts and everything are like random nuts and bolts that fit it. It was a very, very strange design. Like the air comes in here and actually splits two ways. And low pressure comes this way, and straight 800 psi comes up this way to a poppet valve. And when the bolt's fully forward, that gives the puff of air to shoot the ball. But what actually moves the bolt forward is this low pressure air with a solenoid right here. It's a very strange design. I got it hooked up to my HPA right now. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on to show you that it works. That's semi-auto right there. I had to find the button. Blank blank, that'd be 2-shot burst. That's 3-shot burst. I think that's full auto. Or 4-shot, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. And there it is. Friggin' loud as hell. That's the, put it over here.
Scene 1, take
the
4.
Zap ZXS600e. That's it right there. This is Gorilla steel tank, or aluminum tank, I suppose.
Sound like a guillotine.